कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो सिंगल कैस्ट की तरफ वो जाते हैं और कुछ इंटीग्रेटेड कैस्ट की तरफ जाते हैं। तो इनके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स प्लीज जरूर बताइए।
Um, we as Navitas, we offer most of our programs with integrated CAS because that gives you a extended period of time जो अपने पूरा डिग्री कंप्लीट करके ही आता है। सिंगल कैसेस में थोड़ा सा करने और काम होता है, लेकिन एवरीबडी हैज देयर ओन प्रोस एंड कॉन्स। सिंगल कैस जो बच्चे प्रिफर करते हैं, ईदर दे वांट टू कीप देयर ऑप्शंस ओपन कि हम जाएं अपना फाउंडेशन करें, एंड वी हैव अ चॉइस कि हम आगे यूनिवर्सिटी चूज कर सकें। वी माइट बी sold on, let's suppose, University A. But once we go to that city, to Manchester, to Birmingham, to London, wherever, Australia, anywhere, you find another university that is actually very good for you. आपको, you needed a rugby club, let's suppose, or a baseball club. That university has one. ठीक है, that university is much closer to where you are living right now, so you don't have to relocate all over again within UK or within Australia, wherever you are. तो उसमें वो एक बहुत अच्छी आज़ादी आपको मिल जाती है। However, in foundation, the risks that we run and the problems that we have, obviously, you can see immigration rules are changing day by day. Okay? They are getting tougher and tougher. So these are the issues that students face. So what if you go and you have to come back to apply for your second visa and you can't change it within the UK? Then you might face it, because then the process starts all over again. You have to have your CAS documents ready. You have to have your visa application submitted again. You have to go to a biometric or interview again. They might ask you for interview, might not, but biometric is there. And the documents are there that you have to submit it again in case you were not able to switch your visas staying with it. Integrated CAS में क्या है कि ये वाली चीज़ खत्म हो गई है, ठीक है? Plus, because it is integrated CAS, you are on the premises where you must study your 3 or 4 years. So you're gonna make friends that's gonna be long lasting. You know what facilities are there. You know who is in student services, who is in career services, who is your professor, and wherever you need help, आपको पता होगा कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट में help करेगा, और वही स्ट्रेट अवे रहेगा 3-4 साल के लिए। The information access that we have right now, I think it is still very easier to make a very informed decision from Pakistan. Because you would know their reviews, you would know, what's the student body, what kind of courses that they have, what degrees that they offer. तो उसमें इतना वो नहीं होता. But there are students who want that freedom, so they want to go for single CASs. Single CAS for pathways might be a little bit concerning for them, because they want to show the student to progress as well. But then there are centers that are absolutely open to it, because then they have pathways to different colleges and universities where you can actually place yourself after you complete your foundation program. So they both have their pros and cons. So it's absolutely categorically up to the student where they want to go.
Thank you very much, Asad Waqas sir.